In this video, let me show you how to use Letterboxd for upcoming theater releases. So if you're trying to look at the new movies that are upcoming, in this video, let me show you where you can find this option. Now, what you basically want to do is tap on the search bar on the bottom, and then the first option you'll be able to see is the option which says release date. Inside of release date, you can see all of these dates or all of these years where in which movies were released. Now, to look at the upcoming movies, you'll be able to see the first option again, which says upcoming, and as soon as you tap on it, all of the movies that are upcoming this year and next year as well is going to be visible right inside of this section. Now, once you're inside of upcoming, make sure you also add in a filter which is inside of release, and make sure you select the not released option so that you can view the movies that are not yet released. So using this exact section, you'll be able to use Letterboxd to see the upcoming theater releases. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.